So, good afternoon. So, last class we tried to make this figure, mm, and we able to create this figure mm, to some uh, portion. mm. And today uh, we will see the remaining portion of this body. So, Uh, now we'll see where we left our last class. So that one we created uh, last class. Okay. So um, so we will open this file mm, now, and we'll try remaining portion. So model is opening. So before that time we will come here and we'll see this drawing study. So we almost able to create that portion, and um, after that, after checking these things, we'll come to create this part. And when we will able to start this portion, we will see how we can start to create this. So, as we follow the procedure to make these things, the um, same procedure we will follow for this portion also. Mm. And but here one things little bit changes will be here for the position of this part. Mm. Uh, so one thing we will uh, you keep in mind that this part and this portion and this portion have some angle in between. So we will when we will create these things, we first will have to maintain this angle. So visually, if you study between these two portion, we will see uh, there is a axis line, cutting plane line uh, going through the axis, natural XY axis. So this is the cutting plane line which is upon the XY line, and this is the Y axis. And so, if we see general things, then we can understand that between these two line, this line EE cutting plane and this y-axis, there will be angle, formal angle, which is 90 degree, and we create a imaginary line here, or if we study here this point, as we rotate this things to this line, then this part comes clockwise 45 degree, and this portion, that means if uh, when it's rotated to 45 degree, then that also rotate to 45 degree. That means it is situated um, 45 degree angle with some from some um, orthogonal axis. Hmm? From some orthogonal axis, it is situated 45 degree angle. Jam- because when it is situated at 45 degree, it becomes 90 degree. That means when it becomes 45 degree, then it will return to its 90 degree position. So that's this way we can understand that this portion um, create a 45-degree angle when it becomes 90 degree, or mm, when it becomes 45 degree, then this portion creates 90 degree, aligned with 90 degree. So we have to sketch this following creating a datum plane um, on the line. uh, that line should make an angle with either this axis or this axis 45 degree. Okay, so we will first make a line here, which is create which makes an angle either this axis or this axis 45 degree. Mm. Then following then after that we will create a plane at the end point of that 45-degree line, which is created um, making an angle with the 45 degree with this axis and this axis in bisector line. So come back to sketch uh, portion. Now up to that portion we have created. mm, and Next we will create remaining part. So we see this is our part. Okay, so if we fix this position at this orientation, this orientation, then we see it is aligned, this portion is aligned with the x-axis. hmm? With x-axis. Okay, so here it is y, but generally x-axis go this direction. So now it is y-axis along some individual axis. Okay, now if you uh, if you follow this drawing here, this drawing, so it's will be here, um, and so we understand that it makes a 45-degree angle with the orthogonal axis. So we will create a um, orthogonal axis. We will create a plane with 45-degree angle here to create a line. Uh, that line will become an axis of that portion. So just like this line, just like this line. So when we going to create these things, first we have to create this part, this line. mm. Uh, then at the end point of the line we have created plane, and on the plane we have sketched these things, and we have used extrude command, and then we able to create these things. The same way we also create a line with 45-degree angle because it is situated at 45-degree inclination. So then we will create a plane on 45-degree line endpoint. uh, then we will sketch the sketch portion of that rest of portion. So to create a plane first, we have to first create a plane. So create a plane, we have to select datum plane. hmm? We have to select datum plane, and the plane will be situated like this way. hmm? So either this line or this plane, it will create a 45-degree angle. So we slightly incline this body, mm, and we know the our origin coordinate system is situated in a bottom center point. mm. So now we will um, able to see now we will able to see this three plane from here. So um, we will create a 45-degree plane which is inclined with this zx plane, 45 degree. Okay, or we can create a plane which is 90 degree through. ZY plane, sorry, which is 90 degree with ZX plane, then we can create a bisector plane of that two plane. That also another way also we can do. Um, so basically we have to create a plane which make a angle with this plane 45 degree angle, 45 degree with this plane, or a plane which will be there with the same line of ZX plane and make a 45 degree angle with ZY plane, hmm? mm, which is situated other side of negative ZY plane, portion, and this portion. hmm? So this is positive ZY plane and this portion negative ZY plane. So anyway, this both way we also can create 45-degree plane in between. So first we will at the select object option we will select um, plane. We will select a plane here, this plane. mm, it will zoom and we will select at that moment we will left click, left click, mm, and then he will generally taking offset plane mode, but um, we have to take another parameter to start angle plane mode. So to create a angle plane mode we will select a axis here which is passing through this plane, selected plane. So as we see we are able to pick this axis. hmm? The axis is slowly highlighted as we move the cursor also going to become vanish. So we have to wait here to pick this axis. hmm? Depends upon speed. Now we are able to see that the cursor is uh, in active, selection active mode. So we will click on the axis, z axis on that moment. mm, uh, then a plane will appear following the axis and selected plane. mm, okay, so we stage these things little bit. mm, System become little slow, so we um, also become little slow here. mm, okay, so again come back. Okay, so these are the plane. Now we will incline this plane with 90 degree. mm, uh, okay, so making an angle here. mm, Making an angle here 45 degree. mm, so we will type 45 here and press tab to see the changes. Mm. Now you see that the plane is rotated, mm, 45 degree from this side. mm. Okay, so if you apply minus 45 here, you will see different result here also. So if you do minus 45, then it take direction opposite side. So at the time of giving the value you will confirm these things. Mm. So we'll take positive 45 degree angle, press tab to see the changes, then it is confirmed our required plane is achieved. uh, Now we will press OK here. Mm. And then we will able to create the plane. Mm. So okay, so now after creating this data plane, if you select these things, and then he is able to show you. Otherwise, generally it will not be visible. You have to go inside to see this. Now we will sketch. We will sketch this uh, this line here. Okay. Uh, okay. So now we will sketch this part. Hmm? First, we will sketch this line. Uh, um, what we say? Baseline, axis line. Hmm? So we see uh, the angle also here. So this angle we have to also follow. So first we will create this line 21.3 reference angle line. uh, and then we will take a offset of 10 another line. So 21.3 first we will create. Okay, from this point. Mm. So we have to uh, select this plane, and then we have to enter with this plane sketch mode. Okay, so as you see, we are try to um, we are in sketch mode. mm, and now we have to take a line comment, and uh, first we will orient these things. uh, uh, mm, okay. So first we will orient these things, and we will create a line like this. mm, and then we will project this this line. mm, uh, Not able to pick, become slow. So we as we come to this place, we have created this plane, okay, which is 45-degree angle, and now we will make a supporting curve of uh, of this figure. Okay, so to do this we have to create a sketch here. Mm. So first we will do first we'll select the plane, and then enter into sketch, uh, pan it, then we'll create this line 21.3 following angle. So create a line approx this angle, then uh, um, this line is passing through this point. So um, define this, mm, make a coincide, and also it will pass through this point also. So here is no point. So to uh, get this line we have to use project line here. select this line and apply. uh, 1 second. Select project. Mm, the projected lines will be a reference line. So by searching, is there any option directly create reference line? No. So you have to first project this line, and uh, then you select this line and right click, and no, not outside, right click on the line. Then you will get convert to reference option. Click that and convert to reference. Now you pan it. You shift this point upon this line and also upon this y-axis. So to do this, you have to coincide this line upon to this line. Already it is coincide on this y-axis. So select this point, then select this reference line. Then you will get this option, preferable coincide constant. Select that. Then it will um, uh, move upon this line. Okay. Now pan it. Now this line is exactly passing through this point. Now we will define this angle 21.3. So click on this line and click on this line and angle define. Click on the angle, change the angle 21.3 and press enter and click on the angular value, then define the angle 21.3. Now mm, this portion we have to create. So create this line and and this line also. And this line will come up to this. So this length is 10. So this line will start from here and will come up to um, 10. Okay. So and also 20 distance will be from that line. mm. So first we have to take a line comment here, and following that point we have to create pan it. We have to create a line which is 90 degree. Okay. uh, this line will be 90 degree with this line. mm, this line. Okay. Then there will be a line, this line which will be 20 mm offset from this line. mm. So you offset this line, select offset, change the direction, reverse, and drag it. It will be 20. Okay. And 20 mm, and this distance, uh, this line will end at a distance 10 mm from angle line. So from a angle line, this line will come up to 10 mm. From angle line, it will come up to 10 mm. 90 degree. This 10 mm. So from here also it will be 10. mm. So from here it will be 10. mm. So change this value to 10. Okay. Click on the dimension, define it, and so these two things will be 10 mm and 10 mm. Okay. And mm, at that point we have to create a plane to create this sketch for this portion. Okay. So um, this portion will be 20, and this length will be 10, and this line would use as a reference line to create these things, and also this line will become also reference line. mm, and only this line will be uh, okay, and we will create a plane at the end point, and on the plane we will create remaining uh, portion of that second uh, uh, drawing. So up to this creation, we will finish here. Click finish button, and now we have to create a now hide this plane is not required. Now we have to create will able to uh, reach this endpoint. Okay, in this endpoint is this one, this sketch is situated. So to do this, mm, and to make a sketch here, we need to create a plane at the endpoint. mm. So create a plane and select a plane, return plane, and select this endpoint and create a uh, return plane at this endpoint of this line. Mm. So we have to create this remaining drawing at this plane. Mm. So these things we have to create at this plane, return plane. So in this return plane we have to create this. So select the return plane and select sketch. Mm. Select the return plane and select sketch, but here origin is shifted, no, so we have to change the origin. So to do this, we'll reassign the sketch mode. So we finish here and we delete this sketch mode again. Have to change the origin. Mm, so come to plane orientation, offset setting, uh, 1 point, return plane. Okay, it is okay. Now in this return plane we have to sketch. mm, uh, but sketch is origin is in different, no, so what we do, um, no, from here we cannot change. So we have to take these things in different way. Select sketches. Select sketches and keep then you slowly move your cursor nearby this point. mm, no, uh, origin method. uh, mm, Select this plane and now um, random sketch plane, sketch origin is arrived. Now you select that origin and move that origin to end point of the supporting curve of this plane, mm, drawing plane. So then you will able to pick the exact end point of the required sketch plane. Then click OK. Then this origin will be at the end point of our um, required place. mm. Then we will create remaining things, remaining this portion. So come to dimension, it is 16, 1 So two diameter have outer is 20 diameter and inside is 16. uh, so um, first we will create these two diameter, 20 and um, 16. mm, Diameter 20 and 16. No, no. Diameter 12. 12 will be last inside. So 12 mm and 20 mm circle we have to create at that center point. So um, 20 mm, 20 mm circle we have to place here, and 12 mm another circle we have to uh, place here. mm. Now come to drawing. Recheck 20 mm and 12 mm. Okay. um, then mm, okay, now then we have to come again here and close this operation and finish this sketch. And now take a extrude command and extrude it in inside reverse direction, and it will come up to this surface. mm. So from value it will start and end until next. No, next will not be uh, until selected this one and select preview. Uh, okay, up to this. mm, Up to this. mm, mm, okay, this will be mm, cut it. This will be cut it. So we have to edit this sketch here. mm, uh, Select, click on this. uh, Select, repeat, click on this icon and edit the sketch on that time, and delete this circle. We have to do next step this, and you create up to this. Okay. uh, and then you use this unite and unite it with this body and finish here. Now next step is we have to select sketch again, and we have to create remaining portion following this endpoint, uh, and then we have to create a circle. um, First circle is 12 mm dia, and there is another circle 16 mm. So also take a 16 mm, 16 mm, yes, 16 mm dia circle placed here, uh, and but 16 mm circle will be reference circle. Okay. uh, on that there will be a hole, four hole is there, and their mm, dimension is diameter is 2.5. So it is quadrically divided. mm. So take a circle diameter 2.5 and place um, this way, mm, here, uh, here, and here. mm. Close it. Now finish this. Now extrude, take a extrude command, revise direction, and end value will be until selected, and it will be subtract mode, and take take a preview. mm, So take a until selected mode. uh, Okay, no, this hole will not pass the inside curve, so it will come up to this surface. So we'll have to divide a step here. Mm, one things you do, take a extrude command, select single curve, select only this curve, and select infrared, take different reverse direction, and value select until selected, and select this face, and take a preview, cut it, apply. In next extrude operation, you select these things. So select single curve again, as a curve, select this curve, this curve, this curve, this curve, and follow. Value start value will be in the value mode, end value will be up to this outer surface. So in end point will be um, until selected, and select this outer surface. mm. So mm, we have to select this mode, subtract, show result. No, cannot trim. Mm, okay, let's try again. Hide this plane. Now select extrude, select extrude, and select hole. mm, and select select this curve, show the result with infrared mode. mm, uh, so infrared mode, we have to select end option. mm, uh, Select until next, uh, and select mm, it's okay. until selected and select this one. Cannot trim with the limit face. The extrude body may not completely intersect the limit face. So what we can do? We take another way. Bicep. Mm, you simply uh, select the curve and the single mode option. This curve, okay. Direction you change, and end will be until selected. Select this one. Mm, preview. No, if you do this, it will cut. No, so you just take a some uniform undercut. Okay, so here what we'll do in a crop mode, we'll select the remaining curve also, and we'll take inside portion some uniform value. Value, reverse direction. It will take 3. mm, Reverse direction 3. uh, if we take 3, it will come like this. mm, okay. mm, Up to this, or you can we can do, mm, if we avoid these things and this operation, and come to this. mm, what things we have selected here. Extrude until selected we have select what option here. uh, we have selected outer, no, so we will change this option up to this. If we change and recheck these things, show the result. mm, Unite. Okay. Now, uh, um, only this part, single curve. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. mm, Here is the main thing. Take limit, end limit. What will be? mm, until selected. This one. No. Until extended. Preview. Yes. So until extended properly accept this our required requirement. Okay. So it will be until extended mode to take the whole variably length up to our need, means first surface. So to do this, we need until extended. We have to select here until extended with subtract mode. Hmm? So confirm here. The last operation will be uh, this cut. Hmm? In a single curve, we will select this one, reverse direction, reverse direction. Hmm? Uh, we'll select value will be until extended. If we take what comes here, uh, select object, show the result. Okay, okay. So until extended also we select, and object we select inside surface. So this operation will we have to carefully do here, mm, this way. So apply here and close these things. So inside portion will cut up to inside surface, and this hole will come up to this surface variably. Okay, so this our required model, and we able to now hide these things, and also hide these things. Mm, uh, Hide all these sketches, control for multiple select, and right click hide. Okay, so this our required model, and we able to complete it at last. So if we come to drawing, so this is our model, and this angle is between 90 degree and plus 45 degree. So if you take a view like this, so you see this part and is aligned with the 90 degree alignment, uh, and this part is aligned with the 45 degree with this axis or this axis. Hmm. So you match these things here. Hmm. If we match these things here, we can see that this part and this part is fully matched the orientation. Mm. So today we'll finish this class here, and I think uh, you are able to understand these things properly. If you face any issue, doubt, you write a comment below. Mm. You can ask in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see next class remaining things. Thank you everyone.